Hello guys! Welcome back to another video. And today, mag-unbox tayo ng free gifts from Happy Skin. Pumunta kami sa Happy Skin sa UP Town Center para maghanap ng primer na pwede sa skin ko. Because I've been using some of their products like lip tint and mascara. Actually, primer lang ang bibilin ko. Tapos, nung nalaman nilang gumagawa ako ng content, binigyan nila ako ng free gifts. So now, let's try the primer first. Ang cute ng packaging niya, guys. So, ito yung primer na binili ko. Happy Skin Rescue Me Tinted Matte Sun Gel Primer. Ayan siya, guys. Since tinted siya, pwede na kahit ito lang ilalagay nyo. Kahit hindi na mag-foundation. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa primer. Next, we have Happy Skin Lip Slip Weightless Balmy Tint Snooze. Ayan siya, guys. Wow, ang dark ng color niya. Pero since balm siya, I don't think it will be as dark as it looks. Since it's a balm, it's a bit glossy. Up next, we have Happy Skin Shut Up and Kiss Me Best of Friends. So now let's open it and try. It kind of looks smooth on the outside, but I think the color might look a bit different kapag in-apply ko siya sa lips ko. Yan guys, medyo pinkish yung color niya. Since may moisturizer siya, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng lips. Hindi na maganda sa kanya. And last but not least, we have Happy Skin Silicone Pouch. It's lavender. Cute. I'll put my lipsticks in it. And the primer. So, yun lang para sa Happy Skin review natin. Happy Skin, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the free gifts. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it, and to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye!